Do you know what the sizes I have taken for this house? Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 containers. The total area I have taken is width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living cum dining area. The size of this area is 14 feet into 12 feet 4 inches in meter 4.26 into 3.75 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement and also a TV unit on the front wall. And we have a tea table here and dining counter with 2 chairs and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go on the left side. So we have bedroom number 1 here. The size of the bedroom is 9 feet into 9 feet in meter 2.74 into 2.74 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also large size window for ventilation of this room. After that we'll go inside. So we have kitchen area. The size of the kitchen is 5 feet 4 inches into 7 feet in meter 1.62 into 2.13 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement and a large size window for ventilation of this kitchen. After that we'll go on the left side. So we have washroom area. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 6 feet 8 inches in meter 1.21 into 2.03 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area. Shower area and water closet both are separate and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this common washroom. After that we will go inside. So we have wash basin here and on the left side we have bedroom number 2 here. The size of the bedroom is 9 feet into 10 feet in meter 2.74 into 3.04 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also large size window for ventilation of this room. And we have a attached washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 6 feet 8 inches in meter 1.21 into 2.03 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video, share with your friends. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.